Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to make a Google Ads account without creating a campaign. And to do so, it's very easy. So let's get straight into it. The first thing that you have to do is to visit the Google Ads website and then sign into your account. So click on sign in and then enter your email and password. Next, click on new Google Ads account and create a new account. Next, enter your business name. This is optional, but I'm just gonna type test here. And then for the website, let's type any website, say for example, this one, and then click on next. Then you will land on this page to link your accounts. So here you can either add your YouTube channel, your phone number, or a mobile app, a Google business profile. You can skip this. I'm going to skip this for the tutorial. So click on skip. And then here in the campaign settings, just skip this because you don't want to make a campaign right now. So skip everything and click on leave campaign creation. Next, enter your billing country. Let's say, for example, here France, and then choose the time zone. So in France, there's only one, and then choose your currency. So let's say, for example, euro, and then click on continue. Next, you will have to enter your credit card information or the payment, the payment profiles, etc. And then just click on submit, and you will be good. You have just created a Google Ads account without creating a campaign. Of course, you can create a campaign later on, but this was just to show you that you can create a account without creating a campaign. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.